what's up guys? Welcome to the Germanly Tuning YouTube channel. My name is Brad. We are on the way to AZ Euros right now. We are going to do some tuning with Austin on his drift car on the Dyno. And they also have the Audi Club of Arizona over for a little open house type meetup. So we will go hang out with them, do some dyno tuning, and make some power with that drift cars. So we can start tearing it up on the track. And yeah, it's a good time. So hang out with us and let's have some fun. AZ Euros, we're here. How does it feel to own one of the only U.S. legal RS6s?
It's pretty awesome. I have two of them now.
I know, yeah.
It's gonna be even more awesome when the 6-speed's done in a month.
Dude, 6-speed swapping these is like, I mean, even just the sedan RS6, so the actual wagon RS6 to 6-speed swap is awesome. That's cool, dude.
About another month, it'll be done.
Hell yeah. Yeah, this thing will have wiggly stick there, but it's got the Alcantara interior. I mean, this car is super sick. Low miles too. It's only got 89K on it. Yeah, Kyle's a lucky dude for sure. And you got the S3, but this RS6 right here, this thing is gonna be really cool. They're doing wheels, they're doing, you know, suspension mod, they're doing exhaust, tune. Interior wise, they don't really need a whole lot because they're just really nice in the interior, but this car is cool. It's a big car. This thing's huge though. Oh yeah?
Electronic boost control, it converts boost to the top of the diaphragm, so it helps keep it cold so it doesn't like slowly come up to boost, it just snaps it. Nice.
be a little loud with these fans, but flashing another ECU. We were having issues with the cam adjusters, throwing open circuit faults. So we're flashing this second ECU with the tune to see if those faults clear, see how it does. But the car's doing good. Did a few rips, working out some kinks. It's throwing a lot of meth at it, so we're adjusting the meth flow and trying to control intake air temps. The hardest thing with this setup, since it's running no intercooler, so the water meth is actually the cooling effect of the air. So I'm working on that and see how it does on this other ECU. This right here, so we swapped ECUs. The other ECU had some issues, so it's a lot better now. Oh, dude! All right, I gotta switch spots here. Hold on. No, but it comes out of here though. So freaking loud, like, oh, wow.
See with the lock thing, dude, that's so loud. Power at 5,800 RPM and 360 foot-pounds of torque.
Yeah, the crank.
Yeah, it's 300 wheel and 332, but I never like drop below that. Like once so as long as I got the turbo spooled up, like it's gonna be making 260 wheel.
Yeah.
And 300 foot-pounds of torque all the way through redline.
Yeah. Yeah, no, this thing does awesome on the track. I mean, it smokes the tires nice.
Yeah. It will now.
Yeah, for sure.
I can get up on the tire and then stay happy on the tire.
Yeah. Awesome.
Well, we might not need to though, because if the nitrous pre-charge, cools it, we may get away without having meth. The only thing with that is it's like now I'm adding a ton of weight. Yeah. Because I have to keep fluid in, I have the pump, I have everything with the meth, then I have a 10-pound bottle, then I have the solenoids and and the intercooler. I don't know. Maybe I do nitrous meth, no intercooler, or intercooler nitrous.
Yeah, that's true.
But I don't want to put like this massive front mount on it. Like my fear is like I was in Vegas once and a piece of track came off. Like a guy was entering and kind of dipped off track and it kicked a softball right into the radiator. Yeah. And I was done. Like other than temporarily fixing the car, I could have been like done. And I don't want to do that. Like I don't want to travel to Colorado or go around to all these events and get knocked out because of something stupid. Like I want to try to build a car as simple as possible and then it never breaks. So. And the system worked. Like clearly we're doing it.
No, it's doing good. I mean, it
definitely seems like it has a power level.
Yeah.
We can't turn up the boost too much without air intake temperature.
Right.
But relatively, it's working. And I've never blown a boost tube off for anything.
No,
never done it. Wild. Good, but
well, and the intake track, the charge track's so short. It's gonna go to the turbo.
I just ordered like a U on Amazon, like had the fittings and stuff welded, but like the U just worked, and like 45, 45, or 90 and 90, like,
Right.
easy.
Yeah.
I mean, the whole intake setup finally cost me $50.
It's awesome.
60 maybe with the fitting components.
Yeah.
Really, really simple. The only thing different too is I'm gonna do a HKS super sequential.
Okay.
Because I want that like 5-cylinder, like that
Yeah.
tweet off,
Yeah.
and this doesn't do it.
Right.
This just.
Cool. Here it is, guys. Be on a. Well, that was a fun time. It was awesome seeing everybody from AZ Euros, and also a lot of the guys from the Audi Club, AZ, which is pretty cool. There's some really nice guys, and they have some awesome cars, which you saw earlier in the video, and that little montage I did. But the car, you know, Austin's car did well. He had a few issues toward the end with coolant. His electronic coolant pump actually stopped flowing coolant, so it was overheating after each pull, and just not doing what it's supposed to do, because that cooling system is awesome and it does a very good job at keeping the engine cool. But when that electric water pump's not flowing to the back radiator, it just can't sustain itself. So we ended up having to stop there, but figured out the ECU issue, which was awesome. It basically was not activating the camshaft changeover valves, and at low end it was just kind of boggy, and you know, just wasn't doing what it was supposed to. So now that it's working like it should, and cam changeover is working, it seemed to do a lot better down low, and still pulled hard up top in boost, so that was good. And yeah, once he gets the water pump figured out, then should be ready to rip on track. It'd be awesome. So keeping an eye out on that. It'll be fun. And we'll do some more tuning stuff on this S3 here very, very shortly. So stay tuned for that. But thanks again for watching, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, drop a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video, and catch you in the next one.